Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the second question of the paper. So as you can see, this is simply a modulus equation question. So what you can simply do is you can start with squaring both sides. Okay. So I can get something like this. Now if you notice, this is simply a plus b the whole square, which can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is a minus b the whole square, which can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so what I can simply do is I can write this as 4x square plus 5 square plus 2 into 4x into 5, which is equal to a square, which is x square, plus b square, okay, minus 2 into x into 7. So now I can simply write this as 16x square plus 25 plus 5 into 2 I know is 10, 10 into 4 is 40. 40x equals to x square plus 49 minus 14x. So now what I can simply do is I can do 16x square minus x square, which will give me 15x square. Okay, 40x plus 14x, which will give me 54x, and 25 minus 49, okay, which will simply give me minus 24 equals to 0. Correct? This is what I'll get. So now what I can do is I can solve this quadratic on the calci. So on the calculator, you can simply go to mode. When you go on mode, click on 5, where equation is written. Then click on 3. When you click on 3, you get 3 big coefficient boxes. Now what you can do is, in the first coefficient box, put 15. That's the coefficient of x square. In the second one, put 54, which is the coefficient of x. And in the last one, put minus 24. So 15, 54 and minus 24 will basically give you, and when you click on equal to, you'll get your x equals to 2 by 5 and your x equals to minus 4, which are basically the final answers of the question. Now, hence using logarithms, solve this. If you see, this can basically be written as 2 raised to y into 2 raised to 5, correct? Because that's the log property. A raised to b plus c can be written as a raised to b into a raised to c plus 5, which is equal to, sorry, this is the mod sign, not the bracket, equals to 2 raised to y minus 7. So now, if you see, 2 raised to 5 is 32. So this is 32, 2 raised to y. Sorry, my bad. This is not 2 raised to 5. This is 2 raised to 2. Sorry. My bad. Sorry for the error. So 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 5 mod equals to 2 raised to y minus 7. So if you compare this equation with the top equation, in the place of x, they have just substituted 2 raised to y. So I can simply say that 2 raised to y is equal to 2 by 5 and 2 raised to y is equal to minus 4. Now, to solve this, I need to use logs. So I can log both sides to get something like this. Correct? Now, an important log formula you need to know, or a property, is that log a raised to b can be written as b log a. So I can write this basically as y log 2 equals to log 2 over 5, which can be written as y equals to log 2 over 5 over log 2. So I get my y basically as, when I solve this on the calci, I get my y basically as minus 1.32. Okay. Now if you see this, when I start logging both sides, I get a log of -4, and a log of a negative number is never possible. That means I can't get the y value from this equation, so it's not possible. So the only y value I have possible is minus 1.32.